There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Good shot. Nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for two here. Came around quickly to cover the throw. Excellent running between the wickets. Good shot for a single. Lucky not to have conceded more runs. It's in the gap. They will look for some extra runs here. Good backing up by the fielder. Shows how involved he is in the game. Slips in place. Turned away for a single. This is poor fielding. They can't leak out runs like this. Fans would be disappointed. You need to try and make them work really hard for each run. This kind of a fielding effort is really not going to help them. Connected well, but straight to the fielder.